Welcome to IMS. I'm Charlie. We're down here in Shakopee. We're heading in door number 200. Check out what we got going on in the facility. So we had a dynamic nest over at the lasers. That table gets output right here. And this is really where we start taking the parts and pieces, and we're gonna separate them over here in part separation department. So over here, the jobs are to take the parts and pieces out of the nest, verify the count, make sure you get the tab and the burr off so that we can package it up as nice and neat for the next operation. This is really the central hub of our entire facility. So from part separation, it could go right over to shipping. It could go to assembly, it could go to welding, it could go to the press brake, go to paint. So this is really the center hub of all of the wheel that we call IMS. Another operation we do back here is tumbling. So we do tumble, take the small parts, we tumble them up so that we can get all the burrs and sharp edges off of them.